there. He's there. He's on the float.
Yeah. Oh, he just come off him. Yep. I think.
It's okay. No problemo. No, he's still there. You're in. Yeah, he's still there. He's still there. Real.
He's right back there, Em. Nice one. Got your net, Grandpa? I think it's a big rainbow.
Really?
Yeah.
I think you can reel him in now, man.
Oh no, it's a salmoni, I guess.
Okay, lift up and walk back. Oh, what do we got here? Spawned out rainbow.
Yeah.
Good job, mister. You better get down on the rock.
What do you got there, Em? Get him.
We got one, man. Hey, man, come here. Yeah, look.
Some shoulders, Miss M. We're hot.
He's got some shoulders. He's a little bigger. Oh, good job. Way to pull him right to the net, boy. Okay, look at that fatso. There's one for the smoker.
Yep.